Hi guys, what's up? So in today's video, we're gonna make an instant bread dahi vada. Dahi vada usually takes a lot of time to prepare, but the recipe that I'm going to show today is an instant recipe. It requires very few ingredients and can be made in less than 15 minutes. So let's quickly check out the recipe. So first I'm going to make the stuffing for the vadas. So I've taken boiled potatoes, some green chilies and grated ginger, some freshly chopped coriander leaves, salt to taste, and black pepper powder. That's all. Now you need to mash the potatoes nicely and mix all the ingredients well. This is going to be the basic stuffing for our vadas. Now combine all the ingredients nicely. Use a fork or a spoon or your hands. The stuffing is ready. Now we will stuff this mixture inside bread slices. So I have taken some atta bread slices. You can use white bread or brown bread or whatever bread you want. And I have some buttermilk over here. If you don't have buttermilk, just use normal milk. Now dip the bread slices and squeeze out the excess buttermilk. And take a small portion of the mixture, around 1 teaspoon or tablespoon. And now we are going to seal the edges. Don't cover the entire ball, just keep one side open because we will be roasting them, so we need to roast the potatoes as well. So I've kept one side open and the other side covered. So we'll prepare the remaining vadas in a similar manner. This would make around 6 vadas. Our vadas are ready to be roasted. Now in a pan, heat some ghee. And now place the side that has the potato in it. And now we'll be roasting this for around 30 seconds to 1 minute. Just need a slight change in color. Now flip over after 30 seconds. This can be had as a snack itself. It tastes really delicious. So here I have roasted the stuffed vadas from both the sides. Once done, take them out in a plate and let them cool for 5 to 6 minutes. Next, I'm taking a bowl of plain yogurt or curd. This is Sugarlite powder. I use this in place of sugar because it has less calories. You can just use normal sugar or any sweetener and mix it properly with the dahi. Now it's time to plate the dahi vadas. So I'm going to keep the vadas on a plate and generously just pour the dahi all over it. Now I'm going to add some black salt. The seasonings and the toppings are optional. Some roasted cumin powder, This is Kashmiri red chili powder, just for the color. I have some tamarind sweet chutney. This is optional, but if you have, it's better. So imli and chutney, and then green chutney on top. You can also use fresh coriander leaves and even save to decorate the vadas. So our delicious plate of dahi vada is now ready. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any video with me. Also, if you want to have beautiful personalized wonders, you may visit our page Krishto Gifts on Facebook. The link to the page is given in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.